Shop Wednesday, coming to you from a different camera today. I'm all messed up. Look here. Can y'all see that? Wait. Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh. You see how wobbly that is? That is not good. My dadgum phone. Y'all see all these cracks up here? You can't see. Yeah, you can kind of see them right there. Well, that's where the ice storm in February made me land on my bottom. Yep, and the phone was in the back pocket, and we did crack the phone up a little bit. Anyhow, I ain't got it fixed yet. So now I'm coming to you on the computer, looking at you at the computer. It's a little different. I'm not used to looking at me, looking back at me while I'm talking to this and you, and oh well, we'll get this figured out. Got a couple things going. Did a deal on Patreon this morning. I'm downloading the Excel spreadsheet that I use, the scoreboard that I use to keep track of my time on individual projects, and then a scoreboard that I keep for the year-end totals and all that business, to where you kind of know where you're at, help you with bidding, know how long a project costs. One of the things that I always scream about with the business side of bit and spur making is we never know how much it costs us to make something, so it's really hard to charge for it. And really all we have is our time, a little bit of silver and a little bit of steel. In the grand scheme of things, that's nothing compared to our time. So keeping track of that time is exceptionally important in the custom world. Anyhow, I'll say that's the part that I'm on, as y'all well know. Anyhow, try to get that spreadsheet up there for everybody to look at and follow and download. It's for my pro cards. The guys give them $20 a month. It's for them. They deserve all that, and so away we go. What else have I got going? Going to leave in a couple weeks. Got a show in Pawhuska, Oklahoma. Ben Johnson Day is going to be fun. Going to go see my buddy Jay Adcock and spend a couple days up there and meet some new people. And my bride's going to get to go with me, so that's cool. I'm excited to take her, and we'll see what Pawhuska offers, and maybe meet some new folks and tell a story. Going to represent the TCA and do some cool things up there, hopefully. And yeah, maybe I'm going to take some unsold pieces from the past, and it'd be a good day if we sell one of those, but we'll let the good Lord take care of that and see what happens. We're going to enjoy our time anyhow, share the story. Anyhow, I'm working on a bit. I was going to show you what the bit is and what's going on, but it's going to be hard for me to take the computer over there to the bench. Right over there. Can't make it here. Anyhow, it's a cool bit. Got the Road Runners, inlaying 24 karat gold Road Runners on top of it right now. And got all the relief done, relief engraving, and man, I'm excited to show you guys. And I think I didn't post a picture yesterday. I'm gonna post a picture here pretty quick, process pics on social, and see what y'all think. But anyhow, I hope all's well. We're rocking and rolling. Time crunch is on. It's June. I'm yet to finish my big piece. I got a couple more weeks on it, but we'll figure it out. And got a few extra little projects. Going to do a bit for Scott Hardy that I'm really excited about, and got to do some stuff for Kerry Schwartz. So the bench is full. Commitments are full. We're rocking and rolling. If y'all need something, holler at me. And yeah, we'll see you next week. Adios.